In this video, I will show you a detailed comparison between Writecream and Rytr, focusing on their features, pricing, and use cases in 2024. For your convenience, the links to both Writecream and Rytr are in the description below so you can try them out. Let's start by comparing the features of both platforms. Writecream offers a user-friendly interface with advanced AI writing capabilities. It provides a wide range of writing styles and tones, making it suitable for various content types such as blog posts, emails, and social media content. On the other hand, Rytr also offers AI-powered writing but with a focus on generating content for marketing purposes. It provides templates for different marketing materials like ads, product descriptions, and landing pages. Moving on to pricing, Writecream offers a free plan with limited features. Rytr, on the other hand, offers a similar pricing model with a free plan. Both platforms offer a range of pricing options to suit different needs and budgets. Now, let's discuss the use cases for both platforms. Writecream is ideal for writers, bloggers, and content creators looking to streamline their writing process and improve productivity. It can also be used by businesses for content marketing and SEO purposes. Rytr, on the other hand, is more focused on marketing professionals and businesses looking to create compelling marketing content quickly and efficiently. In conclusion, both Writecream and Rytr are powerful AI writing tools with their own strengths and use cases. Depending on your specific needs and budget, you can choose the one that best suits your requirements. Click the link in the description to try Writecream and Rytr for free.